Macy, get out of the way. So Emery just crawled and discovered that he can leave a room for the first time. And he's in the hallway. Normally he just crawls around the same room you're in. Why are you getting frustrated? You can come right back. How'd you get over here? Well, come on. You're the one that left the room. You can come back and hang out with me. Yeah, Macy does. She crawls all the time on all fours. Macy, get out of his way. He's on a mission. Where are you headed? You gonna stop there? You can come all the way down the hall. Into the bedroom. Why are you frustrated? You're doing so good. You just decided that you can be as mobile as you want to be. Yeah, look at you. You're sitting in the middle of the hallway. How'd you get here, huh? All by yourself. All by yourself. It's not fair though when I'm the moving target. Wanna come play in your room? Oh, good job. There's his favorite fish. Oh, you made it. What are you going to do with that now? It's Emery's closet, just as junky as the rest of them. You get it under the crib? What are you going to do about that? Oh, you got it. Uh-oh. Slipping and sliding. Better pick it up with both hands. Good job. All kinds of dust bunnies under there. That'll be fun, right? Do you want to leave your room now? It's moments later. Have you had enough? You gonna go check out the other rooms in the house? Is that Mom and Dad's room in there? You know what's in there. Taking a breather? You can go wherever you want. It's your house.